It's a Barbie doll. It looks amazing. I want to open it. I love Barbies. Let's hurry up and open it.
Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bird looked at the clock. The clock struck two, away she flew. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the dog barked at the clock. The clock struck three, fiddly-dee. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick.
Wow, the house is ready for us. It's an amazing house. Would you like some tea? No, I would like some coffee. Okay, what kind of tea would you like? I would like some green tea. Okay, I'll have orange juice. I love orange juice. Let me go to the refrigerator. This is a purple refrigerator. I'll open the door. This is perfect. Isn't it beautiful? Purple is my favorite color. I usually put my groceries and drinks in here. Oh yeah, it keeps them cool. It's an oven. My favorite dessert is cupcake. I love baking and eating bakeries. Hey, Papa Bear, do you want to come upstairs with me? Okay, I would love to have a look around. My bedroom is beautiful. Do you like it? Yes, your bedroom is purple. That's my favorite color. The view from your room is incredible. Ding dong, ding dong. Hi, where are you guys? I'm here. Bella is here. Bella is here. Let's go downstairs. Hello, Bella. How are you? I'm doing great. How are you? I'm great. Are we having a party tonight? Yes, we can have a big party tonight. Can I have a look around? Yes. Would you like to see the kitchen first? Certainly. The fridge is purple. This is my favorite color. Wow, it's amazing. You also have an oven. You must love baking. Let's go to the garden. Let's go to the garden. Have some ice cream? I love ice cream. Thank you so much. Would you like some tea to go with it? Yes, please. What would you like? I would like an English breakfast. Okay, here you go. What do you want to eat at the party? I was thinking of baking cookies and cupcakes. Leave the cookies to me. My mom is baking some cookies tonight. Okay, that sounds great. My mom bakes amazing cookies. They taste delicious. I'm so excited for the party. Me too. Bear, where are you? I was just taking a nap on your bed. I'm coming down. Did you have a good rest? Yes, I did. Your bed is so comfortable. Yes, my bed is lovely. I'm Purple Bear, so I love purple. I really love your bed. We are having a great afternoon. I'm so happy. Let's get ready for the big party. I want to start preparing for the big party tonight. I hope you can all join us for the party. Bye-bye. I hope you can all join us for the party. Bye-bye. Let's go to another afternoon. Let's try some pancakes. Hope you are not full. Are you okay? Don't worry, I can eat a lot. Do you like strawberry pancakes? Yes, I love strawberries. I hope you can finish it. It is a lot of food. I have a burger. Wow, it's a hamburger. I can eat it. Wow, you're not full. I like it.
Wow, it tastes so good. Thank you.
How about strawberry waffle pancakes? Do you love it?
Wow, I can eat it.
Okay, don't worry. I baked for you. Hope you're not full. Wow, 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 wow. Let's dance off the food. We ate so much. Would you like some hot dogs? How about a hot dog? I'm cooking a hot dog. It looks delicious. It's a hot dog. It's a Chicago hot dog.
Uh-oh. All right.
Here we go. Wow, it's so yummy. Do you want some bites? Hope you're not full.
Oh, great. Let's share it.
I'm fine. I've already eaten a bite.
Okay. I love this hot dog. It's amazing.
Today we had lots of food.
Yeah. I love your cooking.
We had some cakes, hot dogs, burgers, and pancakes. We also had tea and ice cream. I'm so full and satisfied.
Oh,
Yeah, we can enjoy a lot of food in my house.
oh.
Today we had lots of food today.
Wow, we had so much food tonight.
Let's slip it off.
Sounds like a great plan.
Okay, good night.
Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Brother John, Brother John. Morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing. Ding dang dong, ding dang dong.
Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Brother John, Brother John. Morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing. Ding dang dong, ding dang dong.
Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Brother John, Brother John. Morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing. Ding dang dong, ding dang dong. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Brother John, Brother John. Morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing. Ding dang dong, ding dang dong, ding dang dong, ding dang dong.
Why Story TV.